Hi students, Mrs. Jenkins here, and we are entering week 7 now. Wow, can you believe it? Last week you finished your final copy of Project 1 and you picked a topic. You came up with a question to research. You used some peer-reviewed studies, primary research to research your topic, and then you wrote a hypothesis and gave some ideas for future study. You also selected an audience you would like to present to and describe some ways you would present your information so that you would be an effective communicator for them. Well, this week we're going to put that into practice some more as you assemble the rough draft of your presentation. In this week's web text, it'll give you a few ideas on how to effectively present your information. For example, we don't want to type everything up on a slide that you're going to say. Slides aren't meant to just be read word for word. You want to just put those key points up there, or use it for diagrams and graphs or photographs that you then talk about. And then since you won't be able to verbally present your presentation, it is important for this class that you're going to type up that dialogue and then you're going to submit that dialogue. So I know what you would say if you were verbally presenting your information. So in order to do that, then I suggest that you use PowerPoint. And here in a second I will show you how to use PowerPoint and where to type up your dialogue. Below this announcement, this video announcement, I'm also going to include a couple more additional sites that give you some good tips and tricks for creating and visually appealing presentation. Also, I need you to be sure to review the actual rubric the actual file of the rubric and guidelines, because it's going to give you more information on how to create this presentation and how to do this assignment than the web text does. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where to locate these couple things so that you know exactly where to find them. So let me see if I can. I might not be able to make this bigger now. Anyway, hopefully you can see that here's our course. So I'm going to click on our course. And when you're in the course, to find the guidelines and rubrics, I always post them in the announcements. So I don't have this announcement posted yet as I'm doing the video, so let's just look at an old announcement. If you look at our week 6 announcement, you can see that Project 1 planning document. I post the rubric here that you can click on to look at. But so you can just go to the announcement and it's in there. But if you want to find another rubric, or for some reason that link's not working for you, go ahead, click on Learning Modules in your course, click on Table of Contents, and then you can just scroll down and find the folder Assignment Guidelines and Rubrics. Click on that. And so this week we're going to be in the theme Communicating Science, and you're going to be working on the project part 2, Speaking Notes, Draft Guidelines and Rubric. So here you want to read it and see it gives you so much more information than the web text does on how to complete this assignment. So please read through this and make sure that you have all the critical elements that it talks about addressed, and then below it is the rubric with how I will be grading. But it's important that you read these instructions first. So in addition to that, the other thing I wanted to show you was PowerPoint. So if you open up PowerPoint, you can see you have your slides here. Well, on your slides, this is just a blank PowerPoint. On your slides, you're going to type whatever your key points are, have your photos, diagrams, whatever. And then below the slide, there's this area down here where you can add notes. And this is where I want you to put your speaker notes and your dialogue. So you're going to type up whatever you're going to write in whatever you would say in this area. So your slides are going to be visually appealing and they're going to look nice, and then you're going to type up down here what you would say if you were verbally presenting your presentation. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions at all, please reach out and let me know. I'm here to help. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.